guys have made it look almost as new.
It's really like new, yes. So how long have the car was with you?
So I think it's been around 14 years now.
14 years?
Yeah, 14 years.
Okay.
And this is my first car. The car that I bought with my first salary in Dubai.
Nice. Are you happy for the result?
Yeah, it looks amazing. It looks like it's just been out of the showroom with the shine. It's amazing.
What did you like the most? What caught your attention immediately once you saw it?
I think it's overall it's just the shine. I think the detail on the tires, I think that glue on the tires is looking really, really great. Here's the overall shine. It just looks amazing. Just looks like
I'm really happy for you.
Thank you.
And thanks for the team here. Thank you everyone.
Thank you. Right. This was the competition of December. So initially the competition was for polishing and ceramic coating. But when we received the car, it needed a little bit more TLC. So we have some other videos of this. But what we've actually done, we've refurbed all the wheels, we've painted the brake calipers. Some of the paintwork that was scratched and damaged, we've repainted. We removed the whole interior. It's clean. The interior looks brand new now. And now to finish the car, we did a full polishing and ceramic coatings. So the car literally looks brand new again.
Yeah.
The engine's been steam cleaned, nice.